thought about it.
Alrighty, got the first one on.
For sure.
Easy,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, the birdies were getting pictures taken. They're celebrities today, huh?
The first time I was here was when, it was 10 years ago. My daughter's all but 3 daughters.
Very uncomfortable.
Flip slide.
No, my mom comes out for years and years. But she's talking about your daughter's moved. She's moved too. Yeah, that's pretty out there.
He's swinging
We have one in
around.
York, which is York,
Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Yorktown, not York, but Yorktown.
Look at this one in the back.
And yeah.
She's small. We just got that with her. And we have one right here. Yeah, you know, like it's well, that's the thing. So her husband got a job at them.
Yeah, so this one, we'll just take it down through the seat and bring it, and then that takes a bunch of, that out of here.
He's following the camera.
That's about where they'll be.
He's a engineer, he's working for Dennis Products.
All right.
And good with her.
What's up? Say something. Say something. These are like parrots.
Other jobs aren't like that.
Say something.
Okay. He's gonna love you. Look at you like those. Are
I'm taking.
you taking a picture?
Yeah.
I was just way too heavy back.
Yeah, our son-in-law works for Better.
All right.
Better Healthcare. So one of the job opportunities is to get down to the shipyards for a while and work for a couple of years. So that's where he's down. I was telling my youngest daughter's husband is
Look,
out
he's
down there
moving.
doing. It's kind of
What are you
frightening to me
doing?
that he's been 2 years in this training thing of learning like the new manual on this new aircraft carrier, but he will be one of the people overseeing the people building it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, he's like 30 years old. He's never done anything like this before. They trained him. When we're doing that, he'll
Hey,
know
what's up?
the aircraft carrier inside and out. We're going.
Yeah.
But that's what they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just one of those things. But it's a nice job opportunity. Don't tell. Be
So
careful.
these just
I know. He's flying around.
Other shoes like I can slide on like you do.
picture
Yeah,
taken
see
today.
that?
And I can't do it with these.